Hi there. So today you're gonna be working on part 27. One of one of our one of the guys who was following the latest Vampire Survivors tutorial. He pointed out a bunch of bugs. He's a Patreon, so very important person because Patreon, right? So he pointed out a bunch of bugs, and I'm really grateful for him for doing that. So I'm going to be looking through all of these problems in our project files for part 27, and I'll be editing the article and also writing a post about it. So if there's enough content, then I will also put together a video, like a short, maybe 10-minute video that will summarize everything that has been covered in today's stream. Just let me get a little bit of my tea first. So where was I? Oh yeah. So here are the topics. I don't know why he calls himself Grim Rubbish. Maybe he needs to treat himself a little bit better, or maybe it's just a pet name. Who knows? But hey, he's a nice guy. It's really nice to take the time to write all of these posts for us. Really appreciate it. And hi Donut, nice to see you here as well. Bought a game called Rain War and it's such a gem. I recently got an email from a game dev who is releasing a Vampire Survivors-like game. I'm probably gonna stream that before Slay the Princess. I mean, I have like 5 viewers, so I don't know why anyone will come to ask me to stream stuff, but I really appreciate the opportunity anyway. And I'm also actually doing a new series since Donut, you're probably the only one watching now. What series do you like? If you have any ideas of any series that are popular, because I don't play games now. Like I'm just so busy making money, and not a lot of money, just a little bit of money, but been busy making money, so trying to make money, and I haven't really played a lot of games. Like games I play are all very. I mean, I play Action Hack now. I don't know if you've heard of that game. But the Slay the Princess is definitely something that I will be looking back at. Just I need to find a time to play it. I mean, I would love to stream it if I was like a teen. You know, if I was just thinking this morning, if I could go back to like 2008 when I was like 17, right? What would I have done different? And I would have done so many things different. For one, I would have bought a ton of Bitcoin. Imagine like if you bought like a $100 of Bitcoin, and you'd be like a billionaire now, man. But beyond that, just so many things I would have done different. I would have started streaming earlier. I would have started coding earlier. I mean, I started coding pretty early as it is. So I mean, you can't ask for me to start coding any earlier. Otherwise, I would be like 5 years old in coding. I think a 5-year-old shouldn't code. A 5-year-old should be enjoying his toys. So I started coding pretty early, but that was about the only thing in my life that went right. And everything else, I just thought that there were so many things I would have done different. That's not to say my life went wrong. Actually, I mean it went pretty well. I'm quite blessed in a lot of ways. And I've recently, I've heard a saying that you should never look back because hindsight is always 20/20, and I think that's so true. So I should really stop this whole like, oh, I would have done my life differently if this, if that, Maybe it's not such a good mindset. Do that. Let me just open up all the topics that have issues I have to address. I just gotta pick them up one by one. So there is a problem with the treasure chest. And we've got to fix it. you are, yeah. So I'm looking at doing a new game dev series. The reason for that is very simple, because the viewership is dropping for our videos, and with the viewership drop comes Patreon drops, and that means that I've got to downgrade the food I eat every day now, because there's less Patreon money coming in. I'm gonna go back to eating cup noodles soon if I don't bump up the Patreon number. So to do that, I'll have to release a new series and bring in like more viewers. I mean the streams are fine because the streams are not gonna make money. The streams are really there just to make myself cold. So it's fine if I have one viewer, but the other videos where we actually get viewers, I have to create more of such videos. I'm looking at like simpler games. Maybe not to the level of Flappy Bird, but like Vampire Survivor is such a big project. Hollow Knight is such a big project as well. Like everything that we do is such a big project. I want to have something that I can cover within like 8 videos or something. Like Sonic. It's one example. Maybe I'll do Sonic. I used to love Sonic, right? I don't know if how old are you, Donut? I don't know if you know what. Do you know what Sonic is? Have you played the original Sonic? Idol AFK. It's actually a good idea. Shit. I can swear here, right? I mean, not PG channel, I hope. Yeah, I think an Idol AFK RPG would be... Actually, it's a great idea. Let me just write that down somewhere.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app altogether.
So, an AFK RPG. So if you bought a PHP course, that's great as well. Let me just continue talking about it. I think the Idol RPG thing is great, but I have to play it first. I have to play some kind of Idol RPG first before I can know what makes an RPG work. Do you know what Sonic is? Have you played Sonic the Hedgehog? And you are very great at giving ideas, not completing. When I first started this Vampire Survivor series, I thought can be done within like a few weeks, and maybe like 6 months to a year. I mean, if I told you I want an Idol RPG recommendation, I would be lying, honestly, because I don't have the time to play it. Like, I really don't. Actually, next month will be. I have quite a bit of free time next month. I can think about the series. And Jonathan, he's the guy who is doing the farming RPG. I'm gonna get him to start a series as well. We've gotta get those viewership numbers up. Can't be eating cup noodles. I don't want to go back to the life. Try Onoga. I'll write that down. You gotta and you've gotta go and try that PHP course in 1 month, right? And you get a refund. Usually being cheap is not a good thing, but you do it in such a funny way, don't I? I usually disapprove of being cheap, but I can't disapprove of you, man, when you do it. So I mean, it's hilarious. I just ask for refunds like that. Like, it's anything that's funny is not a crime. Okay, maybe I shouldn't say that. That's can be clipped out of context if I had more than like 2 viewers. Onoga is the most amusing idol RPG. Why don't you try going to Fiverr and then looking and look for people who are commissioning art, something along those lines. I mean, that means you watch my stream less, but it's better for you, right? Okay, it's a bit loud here. Let me just turn it down. Another option is if my crypto bot starts to earn money, then I mean if you can code, right, like I'll be happy to throw work in a direction as well. Like if you're learning PHP and you want to give it a try, I might have some things in the pipeline. I'll pay you in crypto though. If crypto is such an amazing thing, like crypto has allowed us to really engage anyone anywhere in the world, and you don't have, you know, like if I were to send you money via PayPal or via the banks, right, there'd be like 1,000 restrictions. They'd be asking you why you're sending the money, to whom you're sending the money, and you have to go through like a 7-day verification procedure. By the time you get the money, like inflation's already hit and you've lost, like, you know, things would have gotten more expensive. I mean, it takes forever to transfer money like cross borders in using regular fiat money, but crypto just makes it so easy. I mean, with crypto you can send money in like 30 minutes. I don't know whether your country's regulations have restrictions when it comes to withdrawing crypto and turning it into fiat. So you're a doctor? You're still studying, right? The last I heard, you're in Rishikesh. FPS game development. I mean, there's already a FPS template on Unity, so I don't think that there is a point to that. I think the speed games can work, like Sonic, or maybe it's just because I like Sonic. Another thing I've been thinking of is Hungry Shark. These are just games that I like. I mean, Hungry Shark, I've only seen it, but I like it. That's awesome, man. It's awesome that you're a doctor now. Really happy. Doctors earn a lot, right? I mean, in India, it's either you be a doctor or an engineer, right?
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together. Try one month.
I don't think you're that broke if you're a doctor, but the refund thing is still funny, so please, please continue doing that. I mean, don't do that to me, of course. Like, if you want to subscribe and be a Patreon, don't ask for a refund. I'd be happy to give it to you for free. Like, if you subtitle the video for me, I'll give you Patreon for free. Or there was a diamond Patreon thing that we were talking. I forgot about what it was. Okay, let me just look through his stuff here. Enough chattering. You know, my parents told me not to study games as well. But if I had listened to them, then I probably would be slaving away at an accounting job or something. It'd be fun. But I mean, different situations. Not saying that you've done anything wrong. After updating the play inventory, there's a problem with upgrading weapons and passives. When a weapon is rated max level, it still appears in the upgrade selection. No body tag for the max tags in the top right corner. You can select this item and it's level 1 above the maximum level. How can I fix this? This is a problem with let's see. You know, when I start looking at, I haven't worked on this project for like one part. Whenever I start going back to a project, I start getting very anal about like the different aspects of it. Like the version number is wrong. What else is wrong? This is 27 now, version 27. And it's, what is the date today? August 21st. 2108-202.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and exclusive access to all things VIP. Try 1 month free of charge.
So how's life as a doctor like? Do you enjoy it? You seem to think that Indian girls are very hairy. I'm sure you've seen some very pretty ones in your doctor age, like some pretty nurses maybe. I mean, Rishikesh is north, right? I didn't secretly do it, I just told my parents when I studied game design. And they told me there was no future in there. I'm like, whatever. But my parents are nice, my parents they gave me the choice. They gave me the choice to pursue my dreams. But really my dream should have been to make money first and then interest second. I think unfortunately money is more important. I mean, in so many ways. And if you have money, you can always go back and try and match the way you make money to your passion, you can't always turn your passion into something that makes money, but you can make money and then funnel it back into your passions. That makes sense. So we have character select screen. It's great. There's a bunch of coins here. Is there a production? Oh, there's production version here as well. Main version probably is the version that has the version number and all that stuff. This is updated. I don't get I don't get it, because you're a doctor, right? And then, being a doctor is a very high skill work, but then when you draw, you're like, oh, don't criticize me for my work. But your work is good. I mean, you're a smart guy, obviously. I mean, your games are good as well. The games that you send me are great. So I don't understand why you have such a image of yourself, You're a smart guy. You can do art, you can code, I can only code. So I think that's one better than I am. So what are you doing now? You're sitting in your clinic? Is that why you like? So when you're away, I assume it would be when you are seeing patients, right? So then whenever you're not seeing patients, you're on the stream. The scale of this is wrong. No wonder the sizing is wrong. So Donut, I'm a lecturer as well, and I have the same. I wouldn't say they're complaints, but I have the same thing as you because I have to help students deal with their coding problems, right? And okay, I wouldn't say identifying the problem is easy, but I have to deal with the emotional aspect of students as well. So I understand where you're coming from. Yeah, the doctor job takes up. I mean, if you give up your job, the first thing you'll be thinking about is where will your money come from, you know? I mean, I have a lot of free time, but a lot of it is anyway caught up with making money.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together. Try 1 month free of charge.
Sure. If you'd like, you can draw me. I mean, you can draw me however you want. I'm fine with being caricaturized. I just realized that all the buttons here have scale. I'm not a fan of the scaling. I think that you should scale your visual elements like this. No wonder the sizes are off. Well, as always, start now. You know, it's a good thing you're a doctor, right? I mean, if you were an artist, full-time, it'd be so worrying that AI, you know, with all the AI business coming around. Don't you think so? Maybe your parents have made the right choice for you. I mean, if I was, I would be very concerned about my job, that's for sure, if I was an artist. It's not easy, man. I don't know if I should be wasting time on getting the buttons to lay out properly, but here I am, working on it. I just wanted to get everything aligned properly. I'm a little OCD like that. But the title is not. Oh, because the title is, the aspect is preserved, right? If it wasn't preserved, it'd be a little more reasonably sized. Yeah, but it compresses as well. So I've got to preserve this. Anyway, that's fine. It's okay. We've got something going here. Just save that. Yeah, I know, being a doctor, all things considered, it's a good job. It's not terrible. It's not terrible by any means. There are worse things to be than a doctor. So what was the first issue again? You can level beyond. You can level beyond the max level, and item can still be selected. So I think I've offered a fix for this. And I don't think that in the code itself that is a problem, because that is actually reflected here. So I also have an item script here, and that one is, this is fixed. Let me just test this out to make sure that it is, so I have to level everything to the max, huh? And the enemies should be dropping chests as well. Should I have picked an easier character? Like, the axe is a terrible weapon, man. So I've got to level something to the max, huh? But let me just check and see whether the enemies have been coded to drop anything. It drops a treasure chest. The rate is 1. Oh, the rate is very low for the treasure chest. I'm just gonna have to play through the game more. I can just stand here and get around it. Okay. Narrator looks like a Wendigo. Let's see if you can. Yeah, I've heard about this. Wow, there's a lot of gems here. Center water as well. It's pretty cool. So, where is my center water?
Premium is ad-free YouTube and background play. Try 1 month free of charge.
I think the center water is not working. And the treasure chest is not working as well. It's not dropping at all. I'm wondering what's going on here. Shouldn't treasure chest be dropping? Like, it's a very low chance. But it should be dropping because there is a treasure chest with drop rate of 1. So that's 1 in 151 chance. I guess it's a little difficult to get there. Oh, there's one here. So right now it seems like there's no problem. Did I get the... I got some gold, right? But... New, let's go for center. Center water is not working, unfortunately. We have to look into what's going on here. Maybe I can do a part on the having a console, you know? That would be cool. And then you can use the console to activate cheats and stuff. Maybe that can be an asset store asset. Let me have a look. Editor console in-game debug. What is this?
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together. Try 1 month free of charge.
So this is a console that works in the Unity engine itself. Morning Grim, it's nice to see you. I am looking through your issues, but I'm just playing through and getting one of my weapons to max level. That's taking a while. Oh, just press the wrong button. I'm just gonna cheat a little bit, right? I'm going to be reducing the amount of experience. I think the treasure chest is okay so far. I'm just checking through the first thing here, which is, man, I didn't know that this game became so difficult to bug test because there's so many. I mean, there are a lot of features, so that's partially why. Reason for changing can evolve to can evolve. It's likely due to the meta signature. Item class. No, that's not what. So the issue is when an item is at a max level, it appears in the upgrade section. It's level 1 above the max level. So I have to, let me just test this and make sure that the items never appear. If it does, then I'll have to look for a fix. This is the main level, huh? It's game level. Level 1 is here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and change the player's experience. Needs level cap increase.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube.
One.
Video download,
One.
watch anytime,
Okay,
anywhere.
this makes it very easy for us to level up. You mean Mervin? Does Mervin know pixel art? You've got to ask him. I think he has a bit of experience with it, but how much? I'm not very sure. I mean, there's a lot of things that he can cover, you know. So we can see how it plays out. Let me just max out one weapon and see whether the proposed fix I have made fixes the issue. Just gonna lightning ring. Just gonna get everything to level. I'm gonna get lightning ring to max level. See what happens. Lightning ring is 3 now. Four. Wow, this is going really smoothly. The lightning ring is overpowered, man. The area is so large. Lightning ring is 5. Duplicator. 9. Tractor. Lock. Wait. Now I don't find any lightning rings, so if I level something else then. Ring 6. Some gold. Why is there a little problem with the gold here? The display. Oh wow. Oh, my lightning ring could be leveled up further. Is it max level already? It's level 8 now. Strange. So there's a problem with the max level code, for the lightning ring.
YouTube
Oh wow.
ad free YouTube and video downloads you can watch anytime, anywhere. Try 1 month free of charge.
So I cannot seem to get the lightning ring to appear anymore. It's level 8, the max level for the ring. Let me check. Because it seems to have appeared just now. Level 8 is right here. Grim, if you see anything I missed out, please feel free to let me know about it on the chat, alright? Garlic. Yeah, it doesn't appear anymore, the lightning ring, fortunately. Let me look out for the other... I've gotta get the icons to appear bigger, you know. It's really small right now. Maybe I can. Icons are way too small, man. What can I do about it? I can barely see the levels of my items as it is. So now the lightning ring is level 7. It's not 8. Now it's level 8. Let me see if I can level anything beyond. So now the fire one is 5. And 6. This is 4. So when it's max, it shouldn't be able to go any further, which is correct. But it shouldn't show up as an option. So this is the problem that we have. So let me find a fix to this, and then we can tackle this issue.
Is ad-free YouTube and ad-free videos on the YouTube Kids app.
The problem starts if every weapon and passive slot is full and maxed out. So when everything is maxed out, what do we have? We get let me just fix this issue first. So we have to also add like gold or tiramisu or something as an option. That's the first thing. And then I think there is no way to skip as well because everything is maxed out. So let's make sure that a maxed out weapon can never appear as an option first. And man, I actually forgot the coding for this. It's been a while since I've coded the level up screen. What is going on here with the screen?
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together. Try 1 month free of charge.
So there doesn't need to be a vertical layout group here. Yeah, I think that makes complete sense here. So the same logic is applied here, this vertical layout group is there. Not very sure why it would stay. Same thing here. So the next thing I have to do is look through the script and figure out what is the problem. And this has to do with the level upgrade window script. Activate only number of upgrade options we need. Select one of the possible upgrades. Remove it from the list.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and background play. Try 1 month free of charge.
So the inventory manager calls set upgrades, and that is what we have to fix. So I think we just have to remove this equal sign. It's just a very small edit here. And let's test this out again. So it cannot be equals to the max level, it has to be less. Current level is less than the max level, and then we can make it an an available upgrade. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. And let's try this again. Let's run with this here. Now our sky here is missing a sprite. Know what it means here. Why is the screen is broken? Seems like because in the inventory is messed up over here.
Video downloads you can watch anytime, anywhere. Try 1 month free of charge.
That's because the screen size is way too small. Even when we do constant pixel size, it looks so much better. But you know, I think 1280 by 720 is so much better. Then we can see the icons and stuff. So I hope the leveling hasn't been adjusted. Should only be adjusted in the game scene, which is our testing scene. No, it's not adjusted here as well. So where is it? Perhaps I didn't save the adjustments. Change it to 1, 1, 1, 1. So I just need to have some enemies spawning. But I also don't have the... Let me just make Forever Bad Waves, duplicate. Just duplicate a bunch of these guys.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and YouTube Music Premium. Try 1 month free of charge.
So now you shouldn't have anything here. If everything is mixed up. those beds so free, man. So garlic level 7. Level 8. Let's see if more garlic appears. I don't think any more garlic should appear, so now my job is to max out everything else. Let's kill some flowers, man. Have I gone through all the waves? I seem to have gone through all the waves. I got a lightning ring, so this should go up to 6, right? So there's a bug with the treasure chest as well. I wonder what bug this is. It's a null reference exception here. Try press button. The problem is with add coins. Let me just document this issue with the player inventory first. To prevent the player inventory. We remove a single character. Apply upgrade option.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and ad-free videos on the YouTube Kids app. Try 1 month free of charge.
Previously. So that's one thing fixed. We have 4 more issues here. So I've just made a post here to update on one of the issues. Okay, let's look at the other issue then. The other issue is the missing adjustments. This one just has to be documented. And the documentation seems to be pretty simple. Let me just do a quick diff check on this. I'm gonna see if I can weed out everything before the stream finishes today. That would be the target. I never thought that making a game dev series would be so much work, you know. I thought it'd be much easier. But with all the bugs and everything, it's turned out to be much more than I thought it would be. So the last game manager that we had was part 20. And there seem to have been a couple of changes. That are perhaps not documented. Is it in part 26? These changes. I'm sure we've added some stuff in part 26. Game manager changes. Modifying the game manager script. There we go. but we still don't have all of the time limit and stuff. So this is the latest game manager script for new parts. We still have this stuff here. Time limit is not sure why it's set here. Time scale.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together. Try 1 month free of charge.
So there are a couple of changes that were not documented in the article. Save coins to stash. Oh wait, that's 6, right? But that, why is it not documented, man? If you want to save, clicks on the quit button, pause screen, and we're done. Do I cover this in the video? I think I do, you know, but it's not in the article. Introduction, setting up coin sprites, save manager, player collector, UI coin display, coin picker prefix. So how do I reconcile these differences? Because the code that I have here is so different from... I mean, it's not so different, it's just a couple of small differences, but it's bothering me a little bit. In part 26, did we add all of these codes? Like this one, I don't think we've added. This definitely hasn't. Actually, it's not that big. It's not that much of a change. The main change is just having the save coins to stash right here. Okay, it's not that big of a deal. It's just the player stats thing. Let me see. How do I go about addressing? I've got to catch this error as well. On coin collected. So this thing here, it's just I've got just gotta add one line of code to make sure that it's not empty before I call it. This now reference was breaking the treasure chest. Oh, the default time limit was a fix we did afterwards in the forums. Thank you for that. I've got very short-term memory. So part 26, let's search for that.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube, and the YouTube Music app.
I'm so glad you're here to help me sort through the details of this. Part 26, how to add bonuses like greed. Oh, I love this message. Based on the user's code. So, oh yeah, we have to add the greed in as well. That's something I missed out. The greed is a great idea to add. How to add bonuses like greed. Christian school project. So that's from Farming RPG. Holy Vespers. New coin display and everything else. Grim, are you able to find the post that where we fixed, where we added the default attributes and stuff? Do you know where it is? So we have part 27, and I don't think we have a lot of part 26 stuff. Right?
And the YouTube Music app.
15, 26, adding bonuses like greed. Okay, now I'll just write another post to cover that actually. There are no changes to the game manager in part 27, right? But we did remove the save coins to stash from the done button. So this is only left with scene change. So I'll just address the changes on the article itself. It's part 27. Making the treasure chest manager, updating the plain inventory and item script. Explanation of the treasure chest script, making the treasure chest perfect. I really appreciate you guys being here, you know, because if I was to be doing this alone, it'd be so boring. Like the writing stuff is always the worst. Like if you're coding, that's still fine because coding is pretty fun. But you know, writing is something that I never found particularly fun ever.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube, and video downloads you can watch anytime, anywhere. Try 1 month free of charge.
It's okay. I'll just cause I know how to explain it. I just have to add it into the article itself. Treasure chest panel will include. Let me just center align everything here. Split the anchors, chest buttons, context. Making the beams and reward. Wow, I think this takes up a lot of space, right? It's 2 megabytes. And since I'm here, let me press this. I should be able to compress this into a video that takes up less space. Cannot be loaded because it has an indent. Correct. What can I do then? Can't even open this.
YouTube, and video downloads you can watch anytime, anywhere. Try
Oh, I can just re-record it then. It's much more reasonable number of frames here now. It's not 2 megabytes.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and background play. Try 1 month free of charge.
So now we can remove this 2 megabyte. Yeah. So the reason why I remove these very large images is because I don't want if you're reading the article from a region where internet is a bit slower, I don't want you to waste a lot of your bandwidth loading the image. All this is done very well. This is very nice as well actually. Chest opening.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and exclusive access to all things VIP. Try 1 month free of charge.
Let's stick with the article from the previous part first. So here we have to change the name editor, right? That's from Part 26. We have a game manager change. Do we not? Save manager coin. Modifying the game manager script. This is the latest one. So we have a check for pause.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and background play. Try 1 month free of charge.
Hey, no worries, man. Thanks for tuning into the stream. Really appreciate it. Thanks for writing the post on the forums. Really appreciate it because I wouldn't have found the errors on my own. Tell you that. Holy first this section is other after Great. So I'll copy the old
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and exclusive access to all things VIP. Try 1 month free of charge.
So this just documents the change right here and here. Pause.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and YouTube Music Premium. Try 1 month free of charge.
Stay at this. So that addresses that.
YouTube Premium
Hi, Kendo.
for YouTube and the
How you
YouTube
doing?
Music app all together. Try 1 month free of charge.
Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're having a good day. It appears that Unity is not showing up screen, which is a little bit of a problem, but it's a small issue. Studio is showing up. So I'm working on fixing a couple of bugs that Grim has pointed out. I'm not sure if you can see him in the chat, but he's created a bunch of topics on the forums over the past couple of days, and I really appreciate it because I wouldn't have spotted these errors on my own. Seven should hit two. Pairing the game. Eight. Reset. Some of the changes. So what are the other changes that I've made? Oh yeah, that reminds me, I don't know how many viewers we have right now, but I was meaning to ask. Let me see if we can do a poll. Which new Maybe I should do a poll outside of the stream, yeah, I can reach more people.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together. Try 1 month free of charge.
So here's some ideas that I have for the next series. So I'm working on a new series after the Metroidvania stuff is done, and the reason for that is because... Oh wow, it appears on the chat. So the reason I'm doing a new series is because... Well, we need more viewers, and viewership has been declining, and I need more viewers to get more patrons. More Patreons means more money means we can do more stuff. Anyway, so do let me know what game ideas you have. What new series would you like me to cover on Unity? So the last thing here is save coins to stash. So we used to do save coins to stash on the quit button, but that has been One change, another change, then why did I add the default time limit stuff? Oh. I know who is voting for the idol RPG. It's probably Donut, right? You decided to move all your NPC dialogue into JSON files instead of it just being in Unity as expected. That works. JSON files are a little harder to manage, I think, but if you are able to do that, that's stellar.
YouTube Premium.
Why did you choose to move it to JSON? Why not just keep it as scriptable objects? I imagine that's what Jonathan has done, is to let you put the data in scriptable objects, right? That we forgot to document is it is way easy. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Control F, right, to find dialogue. So if your game is ready, I'll be very happy to play it. I would love to play it. So here are the changes that we have. Time limit. Also make proof user instead of having the time button.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and video downloads you can watch anytime, anywhere. Try 1 month free of charge.
Strip it. This extra item. Since the select scene, we also added a default value for default. Still got a long way to go to finish. Any particular topic that you want Jonathan to cover for the farming RPG? If you have any, that will be a... Well, so many of you want to have an idle RPG. I guess I have to play that then. Like over the next month or something. What I would really like to do is Sonic. So I might just veto everything. I'll see which one is easier to do. Idle RPG is good as well because it's actually a great way to learn about how RPGs are coded actually. Because a lot of it is just data, and then you just have a. You know what? Let me give idle RPGs a stab. I think they'll be very interesting to explore. I'm not sure if there's any tutorials that already cover that, but idle RPGs I think is a great idea, actually. And hopefully much easier to code as well. I mean, Vampire Survivors, man, I thought it was easy. It's not easy at all. Like it just you know, like you just have so many different kinds of issues that you don't expect. So you know, like a game like Sonic would be so much easier to do than Vampire Survivors. It's just a little bit of math, wizardry. Sonic is like the ultimate platformer. All right, let me screenshot your messages to Jonathan. I shall send that to him.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together. Try 1 month free of charge.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and YouTube Music Premium. Try 1 month free of charge.
So this is a new section that accounts for changes to Game Manager that we didn't document. Preparing the game. Yeah. Okay, so the second thing is fixed here, the Game Manager issue.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube.
Next issue is a bug with the treasure chest upgrading weapons at the max level. This one's fixed. You know, I think I should probably also just playtest our prototype properly and the evolution and everything as well. Oh man, maybe I need another stream in that case. Should I do a stream tomorrow then? Or I can do a stream on Saturday. Anyway, let's clear off as much as I can here first.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube, and video downloads you can watch anytime, anywhere. Try 1 month free of charge.
So this is fixed. Problem with screen space. Skip the rewards. So this is the last part because damage text canvas. Everything works fine. So there is actually a simple fix to this. Let me just rename. Where is the damage text canvas? Let me just get myself damaged here. Let's see. Damage text. Damage floating text. So a simple thing that you can do to prevent your text from blocking clicks is to uncheck raycast target over here. I will just screenshot this. Oh, hold on a second, but the damage floating text is created using scripts, right? So we'll have to make some changes there then. It's called damage floating text. Damage. That's done in the game manager. Damage floating text. PM row. Another solution is disable breakout target row. Stop. This should be addressed in part 14 actually. I'm gonna change the title of this topic because part 14 is where we address the floating text. And these are all awesome finds, awesome bug fix finds. Part 14. Probably gotta do a part 14.5. Part 14. Damage. Alright, so the last issue right here is sometimes if you hit escape to skip animation of treasure chest, this is a different issue. Array index out of bounds. So let's fix the issue of the treasure chest first. Let me just pick one up. Sometimes this works, sometimes this didn't. But when I click on the done button here, it seems to create a null reference exception. And this is because on coin collected, if just gotta do a null check here and this should fix the issue. If we let the chest play out as per normal, I think everything will be fine. Why do I have 8 garlic? This is a little ridiculous, man. So I got all lightning rings. So there are quite a few issues I have to fix here. as well. But notice that once I did a now check, the chest doesn't break anymore. Even if I spam escape, you know, everything's fine. But I don't get a coin collector. Okay, that's a problem. But if I have this, place a now reference. Collector is not equals to now. Point collector, update display. Point display is working, right? So there is no coin display. That is why. Ah, now it works. It's great. So we have patterns. Oh, this should be a part 26 thing. Six. With the clear. Yeah. Now reference. Quick check. This here should say so the last issue of the day, possible bug with skip to rewards. So an update, skip the rewards and set up beams. Let me have a look at that. It's UI treasure chest, right? Set up. Immediately show all beams and icons. So set up beams, accesses, and index here. Let me see how I can recreate problem. I'm probably gonna have to do another stream like on Saturday or something to address weapons issue. Why do I have a missing script here? It seems to be fine though. 5-item chest. Single items. Variable, right? Next time you open a treasure chest, we have to pay for you. You click done button. I don't seem to have that issue. Opening. So I don't have this issue for, let me just can I trouble you to share? Okay, I think I'm done here. I will likely do a stream on Saturday. And the stream on Saturday will be to address the rest of the issues here, namely the issue with the what's that, with the rewards showing before the treasure chest is finished rolling. That's the first thing. The treasure chest is not able to award weapons that you don't already have, which I'm not sure if it's the actual functionality. So after that is done, I will also put together a post documenting all the issues with part 27 and record a video part 27.5. So that's all. I'm done with the stream for today. Thank you for joining, and really appreciate the support. As usual, I'll see you all again.